Welcome. If you want to turn on and customize alarm clock in your Motorola Moto G5S, at the first you have to open your clock application, then move on the left upper corner to the alarm, pick one of this alarm and activate it by tapping on the switcher. When you click right here, you are able to set up the day when you want to get your alarm, and of course set up the repeat. So I'm leaving with the Friday. You can turn off the vibrate. You can also change the ringtone. Let's go with this one. And of course you can add the label of your alarm. And after that you can see that there it is. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.